Hello, my name is Ashley. Welcome back again. Today I picked up some lemon, and not only picking up because the weather is so hot. We're in California. The lemons, they are falling down from the tree every day, tons of it. So what we're going to do with the lemon, I have a few things that I'm going to show you, and it will be very useful for you. First, I'm going to squeeze them, and then I'm going to show you what we can do. All right, now that I squeeze the lemon, what we have to do is we have to strain the lemon in a strainer so we can take, if there is any seeds or any too heavy pot, to clean them up. Just make sure that there's no seeds in it, just to make it easier. I guess this is pretty good. Even though if you want, you can put that in, but later on when it starts to boil, it becomes like a residue on top, so it will be better for you to clean it from the beginning. Now what we have to do is we're going to put this on a fire. What we have to do now, I'm going to measure it, any cup that you use. This is 1 cup now. For each cup, we have to put 3/4 cup of sugar. This is only now lemon. We have to see how many cups it is. This is 2. This is 3. Well, looks like I have 4 cups of lemon. Now for each cup of lemon, we have to put 3/4 of sugar. This is 3/4 sugar. This is 3rd cup, the 4th cup. All right. Now what we have to do is we're gonna mix this to dissolve. Remember, this is all lemon. It's all acid. Like, you know, don't think the sugar is too much. This is, we're gonna preserve it summer, winter. We do this and we put it in jars. Actually in bottles, and anytime you have a guest, you just have to take it out and pour, mix it with water and crushed ice, and it will be the most delicious, refreshing juice for you. Now after I mix it this, well, I feel like the sugar is already more or less dissolved. I'm going to put the fire on, the stove on, and I'm going to mix it a little bit. I don't have to mix all the time. I just want it to boil. The minute it starts to boil, maybe only 2 minutes. The minute it boils, 2 minutes, 1, 2, 3 minutes maximum, you turn it off, and then you let it cool off. I can feel it's already mixed very good. 3 minutes after it cooks, if any residue, it will come up. You have to clean it just like the way you make jam, jelly, whatever. Now over here I've done already, but this is already too hot. I was going to show you and prepare the juice, but I will do it later on for you. Now these ones, I'm going to put them in the bottle, and I'm going to tighten it up, and I'm going to keep it for any time, and it can last. And I want to say something, all my videos that I make, that to preserve them, the sugar and the salt are very, very important in any food. And you have to make sure that there will be no water in your bottle. Any kind of dish you make to preserve, if there is water in it or any drop of water there is, it will spoil. And remember that the juice or anything you make, it's the salt and the sugar that it preserve your dishes. Otherwise, they will be spoiled. So you have to make sure that the measurements are right, so it will last you for a long time. So now I'm going to show you later on, once it boils, if there is any residue, I will show you, and I'm going to turn this down, and then I'll be back. Over here, like you see, it just started to boil already, and you see the top, it's collecting the residue. I have to clean them up, and I'm going to let this couple more minutes to boil. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn it off. You don't let that boil too long. It's kind of hot. Yeah, very clean, nice, beautiful color. Preserving lemonade for you. Now this one, you let it cool. Now I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to leave this to cool off, and then we're going to come and I'm going to show you how you're going to make your juice. Now this is all, it's lemon and a sugar. You can taste it if you feel like it's a little bit the way the sugar is perfect, but in case if you like to be on more on a sweet, you can add another half a cup sugar. It won't hurt. Like I said, anything you like to preserve, sugars and salt is that preserve. So I'm going to let this cool, and then we're going to come and see what can we do with this. All right, now the lemonade is ready. It's pretty cold. I put in the refrigerator to be cold. Now when you put this away, you put them in a very clean dry jar. Even if it's one drop of water it will in the jar or it drips, it's going to be spoiled. So now the way you want to offer your guests, or you want to drink it, you want to make it for your kids, the cup, it's about this much, a quarter cup, less than quarter. It's pretty good enough. And in case, and it depends from the taste of your mouth. It depends the taste of your mouth. If you like to be more sweeter or more soury, what I mean, like if you need more juice to put, you can always put it. Now, this is the way instant to squeeze the lemon. This is ready for you to be lemonade, and you fill your water. And of course, you'll taste them. You will see if, like I said, if you need more, you can always add. If no, it's perfectly fine. You put some ice in it. I cut over here a couple slices of orange and the lemon, just as a decoration. Just be creative for your guests, or even you give to your children, so they be very, very happy. It's such a good, refreshing juice it is. You can cut a little slice of mandarin or lemon or whatever you want, put in a juice just to be welcoming the juice so you can drink. And believe me, you'll put at the table or wherever, and it will be very, very good offering to your guests. I'm just gonna taste to see if the sweetness is enough. If no, like as a lemonade, if no, I can always add more. It's so delicious. This is the way you'll offer your family at the table. When you have guests, you have something good to talk about, to teach, and to spread the news. Now about the lemon, what I wanted to say, besides making lemonade like this way, which you see over here that I did, and I'm going to put them in the jars, in the bottles, so I can save them, and anytime I have guests, instant to squeeze the lemon, it's ready for me. And I'm sure a lot of people, they know if you have a lemon tree or you buy it and it's too much, you don't want to get spoiled, you have no one to give, put them in ice, just squeeze them, put them in ice cube, and then take the ice cube and empty them into the Ziploc clean bag, just like this, and put them in a freezer. And whenever you need for your dish, you can put the date here, it doesn't matter. This can stay for a long time, the lemon. It's ice cube, you can take it for your salad, for your food, or let's say if you don't have a lemonade, what you do, you can just take one, put a little sugar, a little bit water, and you can make fresh lemonade. So this is the lemon that you can use. Hopefully when you have 3, don't let them go waste. Use them, become inspired, and enjoy them. And I want to say cheers to you, and I hope you'll do this. It's very delicious, it's very practical. Put the juice, put the water, and it's ready to drink. Well, thank you very much, and I want to thank to everyone that they subscribe my channel and they supporting to me. And I'll see you next time. Cheers to you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.